There is another way we can calculate this year to date without using the calculate function. So there is a separate function that does exactly that. So let's see what that function is. So I'm going to do another revenue YTD. So I'll call this revenue YTD2. So revenue YTD2 is going to be equals to, this function is called total YTD, and you can see the brothers of total YTD. There's total monthly for month to date, there's total QTD for quarter to date, and there is total YTD for year to date. So I'm going to use total YTD to calculate revenue, comma, my date is inside calendar, so calendar dates, and just like I always say, arguments in square brackets are optional, so I'll ignore these two, close brackets and enter. So let's see how that works. So revenue YTD and revenue YTD2, what's the difference? There is absolutely no difference between these two, it's just the function. So essentially, the total YTD function already has the calculate side of what we wrote in year to date. So two methods to write year to date: use the calculate function or use the YTD function. Which one is simpler for you? For me, I'll go for the total YTD.